Easy Fold and Go Rollator HD is the most compact and convenient heavy-duty rollator to travel with. The Easy Fold and Go Rollator HD folds in seconds with the lift of a finger and folds 2 times smaller than other heavy-duty rollators for quick and easy traveling. While strong enough to support 500 pounds, its compact and lightweight design can fit in the front seat of the car for easy access, in the shopping cart, or even in the overhead bin of an airplane while traveling, giving you more freedom and convenience than any other rollator on the market. It includes a 3-pocket organizer pouch to keep handy items close by, and a large undercarriage basket to store groceries, purses, and other large items. The patented rubber braking is safer and more responsive than traditional metal brakes and can be locked in place to support up to 500 pounds while sitting. And it comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee and limited lifetime warranty. So if you don't absolutely love it, you can send it back, no questions asked. So whether you're running errands or planning your next vacation, now you can enjoy the journey with the HD Rollator from Stander.